Anker's world-famous smart charging technology detects connected devices and adjusts voltage output to deliver a tailored, high-speed charge. An internal safety shutter prevents objects from being inserted into the outlet, and the fire-retardant plastic casing offers flame protection up to 1,382 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping you and your home safe. Designed with a 45 degrees plug to keep other outlets free, and with AC ports and USB ports located on the side to reduce protrusion. Powerstrip 2 is the ultimate space-saving power strip for your appliances and mobile devices. Perfect for home, work, or travel. Cruise-friendly. Combining 2 high-powered USB ports with 2 Anker ports for big expansion in a portable package. Designed with a 45 degrees plug to keep other outlets free, Powerstrip 2 is the ultimate space-saving power strip for your appliances and mobile devices. Charge up to 4 devices at the same time via 2 Poweriq-enabled USB ports and 2 Anker ports. Perfect for travel by land or sea. The compact square design frees up valuable space in your travel bag, and since there is no surge protection, Powerstrip 2 can be taken aboard cruise ships. An internal safety shutter prevents objects from being inserted into the outlet, keeping you and your children safe. Designed with a slimmer plug than other power strips, perfect for hard-to-reach outlets tucked away behind your bed or sofa. Keep your power strip where you want it to be, without the need for furniture-damaging adhesive strips. High-speed charging. Leading technology. Join our family of over 30 million happy users, and change the way you charge.